Overhead press, a step-by-step guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, overhead press. This term is commonly used in fitness and exercise contexts, but it's important to understand its meaning and usage in everyday English as well. So, let's dive in and learn more about it. The term overhead press refers to a type of exercise. In this exercise, a person lifts a weight above their head using their arms. It's a strength training exercise that primarily targets the shoulders and arms. But it's not just a fitness term. It can also be used metaphorically in different contexts to denote lifting or handling something challenging. While overhead press is a technical term in fitness, it can be used in everyday conversation to describe situations that require effort, strength, or endurance. For example, he had to overhead press his way through the crowded room. Metaphorically implies making an effort to move through a difficult situation. It's important to note the usage of this phrase in different contexts to fully grasp its meaning. To better understand, let's look at a few examples. 1. I added the overhead press to my workout routine to strengthen my shoulders. 2. Managing the new project felt like doing an overhead press. It required a lot of strength and focus. When using overhead press, remember it is a noun phrase. It's common to confuse it with a verb. For instance, saying, I will overhead press this box, is incorrect. Instead, you should say, I will do an overhead press with this box. That's all about the phrase, overhead press. I hope this video has been insightful and helps you understand and use this phrase correctly in various contexts. Remember, learning a language is like an overhead press. It takes time and effort, but the results are rewarding. See you in our next video.